Hello everyone, welcome back. This is the last group of blend modes. Usually this blend mode look for variations between the base and blend layers to create the blend. As we all know, every color you see on screen is composed of red, green, blue colors. The minimum value of that color can be limited to 0 and maximum value is 255. Look at the color panel. You will see each color. Look at that here. Each color is have its own values. This is pure black color, so everything is black here. Look at that. That's a red, green, blue, or black. So when I move to red, it goes pure red 255, green 0, blue 0. Then I come back here in the middle. This vary. So each color have its own values, that red, green, blue color values. So let's see what is the difference going to do have. So let's create a new document with a white color background. Then we can make an ellipse. Then select a color. I'm going to select here red color. Then the value, look at that, the value, the red 255, then green and blue is 0. Then paint. Then we can just copy that color. Then Control J to copy the color. Then select the the lower layer, then change the color to green. I choose the extreme green color, so the value is green only 255, red goes 0, blue goes 0. Click OK, then paint it green. So this is green right now. Then the upper layer is red. Then select the red color layer, then change the blend mode to here, difference. So look at that, it changed to yellow color. The color exchanged to yellow, so red minus green equal to yellow. I knew you were studying in your school the basic colors, the basic color blend modes. Well, let's check it out, the RGB mode of this yellow color. So let's create a new layer with the same color by pressing Ctrl Shift Alt E. So let's press Control Shift Alt E to create a new layer that we made here, that's yellow color. Then sample this color. So look at that. Here the red value is 255, green 255, then blue 0. Why? Because R minus G is equal to 0. So the value goes yellow. That's 255 minus 255 equals 0. That's the value is 0. Then the color, the exact color of the yellow color is 255 green and 255 red combines to form the yellow color. So we got this color. We can brilliantly utilize this miracle now, this color blend mode technique that we learned in our school. So let's select this red one, then move it like this, so there is no red is present here. So let's delete this layer, then we can move this layer, look at that, and disabling the background. Then let's move the color, look at that, it's changed to red. The color, the exact color remain constant, there is no change in the color, but when it comes to difference, it changed to some other colors. So when I enable the background, it's really pure white. So when I move this, it changed the edges, changed to blue color or sky blue, because when it comes with white, it changed the colors, changed to red minus white, changed to the sky blue color, then the green minus white. Let's check it out. I'm gonna change the green blend mode to difference. It changed to the purple or blue color. So there is a huge difference. I'm gonna change everything going to normal. Then I'm gonna disable the background. Then let's keep the green layer just above the red one. Then change the blend mode to difference again. So this time also it goes back to the yellow. Sorry, the red minus green equal to yellow. Then the green minus yellow also equal to yellow. So we can brilliantly utilize this for logo designing, poster designing, and some other designings, and it's depends our creativity. And let's do another example, and let me show you another daily life example to utilize this blend mode. Let's do another example to learn the blend modes here. That's the difference of blend modes. Let's delete the red color layer and we can disable this background layer that's white. Then select the green one, then change the blend mode to normal. Here we can make the copy of the layer by pressing Ctrl J, then select the upper layer, that's a green layer, then change the blend mode to difference. So we got a black color. Enable the background, we got the black color. Because why? Because it's happened because the value of the green color is 255, then underneath the green color exact 255, then 255 minus 255 goes 0. The 0 is black color, so everything is black. So let's make the copy of the black layer. That's Control Shift Alt E. We got this. Then go to the colors panel, then sample that color. So everything goes black. Red goes, that green, blue, that goes black. So we got the black color. So how to get the white color? We can move. Let's move it out to top. Everything goes full. That's red goes the full value. Red, green, blue. The 3 comes 255. We will get the bright white color. I think we also learned in our schools. Let me show you a daily life example. I just imported 2 images right now. This one and this one. I want to replace the lips of this lady. I'm going to replace these lips. So what I want to do is I'm gonna mask and create a mask, or I'm gonna select the lips. Either I could use any other tool to select that. So here I just selected this lips. Then I can just move the lips to the next image, then keep it over here. So what I want to do is I selected this layer. This is the new lip. Then go to the blend mode and change to difference. I can see, so it's transparent right now. So I can resize it by pressing Ctrl T. Then make it like this. Move it like this. That's really cool. Is this good? Yeah, it works really well. Okay, then click enter. Then we can change the blend mode to normal. So it pasted here. It's I need to do more patchwork. Yes, Control T, then difference. Make to normal. Okay, it looks pretty well. Or we can just make a mask, then go to select the brush tool and keep the colors black and white, and we can just erase the things. Now it's really good. Okay, this is another daily life example of this blend model. We can utilize this for making items transparent. So look at that difference, this one and this one. I think this one is pretty well. So this is another example of using the blend mode, this difference blend mode. Thank you. We are winding up this section. We learned difference blend mode. Hello everyone, welcome back to the next blending mode, that's exclusion blending mode. The exclusion is very similar to the difference blending mode. Actually, that blend with white inverts the base color value. So when the background is white and the foreground is black, it inverts the colors, which means it becomes white. While blending with black produces no change, and blending with 50% gray produces 50% gray. So let's check it out. So I just created 2 ellipses with black and white. Actually, this is not gray, this is white. Okay, well, what will happen is with a white color background, colors will invert if it's white color background. Let's change to exclusion blending mode. This changed to white color. Actually, this is not vanished. Okay, it changed to white color, and the white color changed to black color. That happened. So it inverts the colors. Anyway, this happens in the exclusion blending mode. So I just uploaded this image. Make a solid color adjustment layer, maybe with the white color background. Click OK, then keep it just underneath of this layer and make it exclusion blending mode. Look at that, the white area. What happened? The white area became black and the black area become white. Let's keep it exclusion. This area was dark or black and this area was white color. It changed. Then we can select the brush tool and erase some portions. Change the flow value to maybe 40. Get that? Okay, it's showing well. And when I drag here, anyway the sky is showing. If I keep it 100, well, I just shown you. So this is all about the exclusion blending mode in this category. We are moving to the next blending mode, that subtract. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to the next blend mode, that's subtract blend mode. Actually the blend mode looks at the color information in each channel and subtract the blend color from the base color. In 8 and 16-bit images, in resulting, negative values are clipped to 0. So I just import an image, then make a copy and change the blend mode to subtract. It became dark because these two layers are same. So these colors are disappeared or getting into black because the yellow color minus with the yellow color, so it became black. So when I decrease the fill value, you can see that. So let's go to 100. So when I selected the first layer, then I move this one, you can see the difference. When it subtract with some other color, it gives separate results. Actually the subtract blending mode subtracts pixels values from the base layer. This blending mode drastically darkens pixel by subtracting brightness. And black has no effects, only as the blend values get brighter does the result get darker. So we are moving to the next blending mode, that's divide. This is the last blending mode in this category. I don't know whether you noticed or not, these are just like the basic arithmetics. That's difference, exclusion, subtract and divide. So we are moving to the last blending mode, that's divide. Actually divide produces the opposite effect as subtract. So the divide looks at the color information in each channel and divides the blend color from the base color. So let's change the blend mode to divide. Divide produces the opposite effect as subtract. White has no effect, only as blend values get darker does the result get brighter. Dark areas of the blend layer produce bright colors, while light areas of the blend layer produce a very small change. So we are completed this section, that's called inversion blending modes. So we are moving to the final blending mode. We have 4 more blending modes remaining, that's hue, saturation, color and luminosity. So I hope you are clear with these blending modes in this category. So we are moving to next. Thank you.